Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Anders Larsson, and in today's video I will be sharing a video about a service. The title is Maximize Your Experience with Jitter, a fast and simple animation tool on the web. But before I show you the main video, a brief introduction. So my name is Anders Larsson and I'm an affiliate marketer and YouTube influencer. Before I got into this field, I was trapped in a 9-to-5 job that I believed was holding me back from achieving most of the things I wanted in life. In order to eventually be able to quit my job, I had to find time for my side hustle and learn affiliate marketing. It wasn't easy in the beginning, as I struggled working by myself and relying on free resources from YouTube and blogs. Fortunately, I met someone who taught me about high-ticket products and all the things I was doing wrong through the introduction of the system she used. If you know what I'm talking about and may have possibly gone through a similar experience, then I would like to give you a way to bypass all that built up frustration and anger and go straight to the part that allows you to make high profits and a sustainable income online. You can absolutely use the same system. You can use the same system I use to get started. So this system has a $7 product, which is called the 15-day challenge. And this is actually the first stepping stone to build a successful online business. It teaches you how to build a high profit, high paying affiliate marketing business and shows you the 4 essential business models, and also teach you how to establish a solid foundation to begin making money with your online business. All thanks to Dave, who is the founder of this system. He guides you through beginner-friendly steps, so you can start making money as quickly as possible, even if you have zero experience. I took the 15-day challenge myself and was finally able to learn how to build a profitable online affiliate marketing business. The best part of this course is that it only requires a one-time payment of $7 with lifetime access. Anyway, now Matthew will take over and he will start with the benefits and then read you a couple of lines from the author so you know what this service is about. Anyway, over to you, Matthew.
Thank you, Anders. In only 3 easy steps, you can create spectacular animations for your films, websites, or apps. 1. Starting from scratch, use Figma or a template to create your design. 2. Use pre-made animations or make your own. 3. Export Lottie, video, and GIF from your browser. I appreciate you finding us at Christ Messina. Hunters, hello! Jitter 1.0 is now out, and we're thrilled to share it with you. On the internet, Jitter is a quick and easy motion design tool. It's similar to Figma but for motion design, allowing you to quickly create beautiful animations for your films, websites, apps, social media posts, content, and more. We started our YouTube beta 2 years ago, and the response from the community has been amazing. As a result of the numerous interactions we've had with designers, entrepreneurs, marketers, and developers, we've included animation presets, the option to import drawings from Figma, more export formats, and several productivity enhancements to make our tool even more powerful and user-friendly. Now, according to our users, Jitter is the quickest and easiest tool for producing animated content and user interfaces for private use. We also want Jitter to be the finest animation tool for teams, corporations, and designers this year. Making motion design accessible to everyone was our primary goal when at EDN and I founded Jitter. Only the first step has been taken in that direction with this new version. This update includes a ton of new tools to increase your productivity as well as a completely redesigned user interface to make Jitter seem more polished yet entertaining. The future of our platform will be built on this basis over the course of the following several years, and that is what is most significant. We intend to provide teams and collaboration tools, an infinite canvas with numerous artboards, personalized animation presets, and more in 2023. We are eager to share with you everything we have in store for the future since it is so exciting. How can you assist? 1. Start using Jitter. You can either start from scratch, import designs from Figma, or start from a template. 2. Share your thoughts with us so we can improve Jitter for you. 3. Distribute it to your design and content teams as well as your friends who are designers. We would like hearing their thoughts. The first 3 months are completely free for you, as a little gift from us. We wish to express our gratitude for all of your insightful criticism and encouragement. You can use the following promo code this week only to save 25% on your yearly membership, PH 2023. We eagerly await your comments. The Jitter Team's Roby. P.S. I'm open all day for an AMA. At Roby, do you employ a group of knowledgeable Jitter consultants? If not, who would you suggest? I emailed you and asked for your help in locating someone who could take full advantage of your wonderful product. At William Farrell 1, although there isn't currently a formal directory, some people have begun to organize themselves on Twitter. At Roby, what a fantastic website. Animations can be created based on your own ideas. Thank you, authors. At Amy Clampett, thanks, Amy. Alright. Over to you, Anders.
Thank you for sharing this with us, Matthew. In most of my videos, I coach people and encourage them to look for a more reliable way to make money online. I try to teach people the meaning of value because value is not just value. Value serves a purpose. The purpose is to build know, like and trust. Sometimes I coach people through email. Someone may be stuck with something, and when I talk to and coach people, I know there must be a way to solve this. There is no way I'm going to look at someone else's email knowing that the person is going to be overwhelmed and not step up to provide the answers and the solution for that person. It is a win-win situation by stepping up and realizing what the problem is, being willing to solve it and helping the person. It's a win-win. That is exactly what you need to do when you start your own journey as an influencer. Just show up every day or so with a fresh video and then recommend something that will transform their finances. So if you want to know how I make money online and what system I use, then click the link in the description. If you don't want to sign up for my free video training, there is a red button on that page that will take you to one of the landing pages for the system I use. There you have the opportunity to sign up for the high ticket platform that allows me to make money online. You will also get help from a personal coach, and honestly, this is not a typical affiliate product. It is a full digital training portal with coaches and high ticket products that are there to guide you and all the people you refer to that system. Most of the time, the high ticket items pay out more than $1,000, but this is only happening when your business starts to grow. As a beginner, you will see the low ticket commissions more frequently before the high ticket earnings. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate that you spend some time with me. If you learned something of value, then do click the like button. This will help my YouTube channel get more visibility. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.